Hey, greetings from Texas. Okay, it's the February Camp Challenge Alliance challenge, which is make something. So I'm going to use this baking rack, which I got for $1 at the dollar store, or Dollar General, or Dollar Tree. I already broke it in half. I used it to make some toast with on a backpacking stove. So what I'm going to do is use this for a grill, and I'm going to make a mini barbecue out of a meatloaf pan. Now I got this at the Goodwill. It was brand new for a dollar. So what I did is I drilled some small holes. I didn't do it in my shop because I used the drill I had at the house, so I had a tiny drill bit. I took a hanging plant, the eyelet, and I screwed it in to enlarge these holes. So what I'm going to do now, we have ventilation holes, so I'm going to make a little standoff here for the charcoal to kind of sit on. So air gets underneath, make it a little bit more efficient. We got my Leatherman here. Okay, and that'll keep the charcoal off the bottom. All right, so let's get our charcoal ready. Okay, to get the charcoal ready, we're going to use this, which I got at Walmart. It's a kitchen utensil holder. I've used that on my Fire Up Fridays. So we got some not very good fat wood and some twine, which I unraveled. And pour that in here. We got fat wood, more shavings, and some haystacks. All right, I think the charcoal's almost ready. Let's go ahead and move our charcoal into our all right, we have flour tortillas here. And here we have our homemade venison sausage. I think our fire is ready. We got a cold spot here, which will be good in case this is too hot. All right, folks, I think we're done here. You can see the sausage steaming out. Venison sausage. So I'll let them rest and we'll heat up our tortilla. Alrighty, time to get comfy. Venison sausage is ready. tortillas are warm, and that's all I need. I have garlic, paprika, onion powder, salt and pepper in my sausage. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Hot. All right, folks. Well, this is my February Camp Challenge Alliance video. Make something. So we made a little barbecue out of a $1 meatloaf pan and a $1 baking rack. And it worked pretty good. Worked really good. All right, folks. I appreciate you stopping by. If you're into the outdoors and want to have some fun, just submit your video. I'll have a link to Expeditionary Johnny Alche who are monitoring the videos. They're going to vote each month. They'll be voting soon for the January video. I'll have links down in the descriptions to the Camp Challenge playlists. I hope you enjoyed it. Appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.